Hello students, in this video we will discuss about basic definitions of antenna. Let me start the video. First definition is radiation intensity. It is represented by U, theta phi. It is R square into P average, and P average is here time average Poynting vector. So total radiated power, it is double integration P average dot ds. It is P average dot ds is R square sin theta d theta d phi, and R square into P average, it is U theta phi. So radiated power we can write here double integration U theta phi sin theta d phi. Sin theta d phi, it is d omega, it is differential solid angle which is measured in steradian. So U theta phi, this unit is watt per steradian, and total solid angle, it is double integration of differential solid angle, and it is we will integrate it 0 to pi and 0 to 2 pi sin theta d phi, and from here total solid angle is 4 pi. So now we discuss about average radiation intensity. It is U average, it is P radiated by 4 pi. Next definition is directive gain. Directive gain, which is represented by GD theta comma phi of antenna, is a measure of the concentration of the radiated power in a particular direction theta comma phi. So GD theta comma phi, it is also represented by GD. It is the mathematical formula is U theta phi divided by U average. So GD theta comma phi, it is U theta phi divided by U average. U average is power radiated by 4 pi. So it is 4 pi into U theta phi divided by P radiated. So we will put here GD is equal to U theta phi. It is R square into P average. So 4 pi into R square into P average divided by radiated power. So time average Poynting vector or time average power density, it is P average. So it is GD divided by 4 pi R square into radiated power. So this is important formula. P average is equal to GD upon 4 pi R square into P radiated. So GD minimum, it is equal to 1. It is for isotropic antenna. Now we discuss about the directivity. Directivity, it is the ratio of maximum radiation intensity to average radiation intensity. So it is U max by U average, and it is equal to GD max. So directivity is equal to U max upon U average is P radiated by 4 pi. So it is 4 pi U max divided by P radiated. So D minimum, the directivity minimum value is 1. It is for isotropic antenna. Now for Hudson dipole antenna, the directive gain, which is GD theta comma phi, it is 1.5 sin square theta, and the directivity is 1.5 for lambda by 2 dipole antenna. Directive gain GD theta comma phi, it is eta upon pi into radiation resistance into cos pi by 2 cos theta divided by sin theta the whole square, where eta is 120 pi for free space, and radiation resistance is 73 ohm. So when we solve it, so directivity we get 1.64. Now the next definition is of power gain. So power gain, when we give electrical power to the antenna, so total power is P in. So some power is always lost in the conductor for which antenna is made up. So this conductor has always some losses, and some power is radiated, some power is radiated. So total input power is lost power plus radiated power. So P in is equal to I RMS square into RL plus R radiation, loss resistance plus radiation resistance. So power gain, which is represented by GP theta comma phi, it is U theta phi divided by P in into 4 pi. Radiation efficiency of antenna, it is radiated power divided by total input power. So when we solve it, so this is equal to the ratio of Radiation resistance to the total resistance. Total resistance is radiation resistance plus loss resistance. So thank you for watching the video.